Hey guys, what is up? This is Sharvil here from Tech Wizard, and today I'm here with the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch Active, which Samsung just released on the 21st of February, and I am here with it on the day it just got released in the market. So, let's go ahead and unbox it. This is gonna be a short unboxing video, and also at the end of the video, I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner of the Bayek Figpin, which I said I would do when I cross 100 subs, which I have. So I will announce the giveaway winner at the end of the video. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is the Active Galaxy Watch Active 40mm version. I mean, it's only one size, but 40mm with black version. So let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so side. All right. I'm very excited as this is going to be my daily watch from now on. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Man, I'm very excited. I'm sorry for the voice crack. Man, was this a beautiful watch? Alright, I'm gonna set this watch aside for the moment and see the other contents in the. Alright, so I guess this is a small band in case that one is kind of big for me. Alright, so this seems to be the charging dock for the I guessed it right. Oh, so this is, so Samsung made this one like much different than the previous one. So this one looks like the one which Apple provides with the their Apple watches. So it's a flat one, you just place it on and it charges. Alright, I would say I like this much better in the previous ones. Right, let's see anything else. Nothing in here. Right, anything in the box? Nope. Alright, so this seems to be in the top of the box, some paperwork about how to use it. Alright guys, now coming back to the watch. Right, man, this is a beautiful watch. This is such a beautiful watch. Alright, so this is the heart rate monitor. Oh my god, I have no idea why I'm having so many voice cracks. Alright, so I'm gonna remove my Mi Band 2, which is gonna be replaced by the Galaxy Watch Active. I'm gonna put it on now. I'll be back. Alright guys, and now it's on my wrist. Man, it's kind of small, but you know, it looks kind of nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and power it up. Right, I'm gonna remove it because it's kind of hard to shoot it. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. Alright guys, in the meantime it's booting up. I will announce the giveaway winner. So the giveaway winner for the Bayek Figpin is Zion Tirmizi. I will show the comment which he just made. And so Zion Tirmizi has won this. Alright guys, now I would just end the video here. I'll just show you some B-roll of the watch itself. And then that is it guys. Thanks for watching. This is Sharvil here from Tech Wizard, signing off, and peace. Oh, by the way, I'm really sorry for not uploading for a long time. Anyways, see you guys. Peace.